Hi, this is Akib. Today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of brand new Seagate Ultra Slim 2 TB, and I'm gonna also review it today. So I'm cutting it down now. Let's see. It's a bit tight. Come up to the point that this is a silver version and it's 2 TB. The Seagate Backup Plus Ultra Slim is compact, fast, and includes helpful backup software. Here is the software. Here is some paperwork, and here is the DIX HDD. There is no USB-C port, so no future proofing for you. There's the cable. It comes with USB 3.0 compatibility. You can see it has NTFS drivers for Mac compatibility, and also compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, Linux, and the special thing, it can be connected to a Android device system through a port. It's very small at size. You can see that it's literally much smaller than a regular phone. Okay, now I will check it out. I will connect it to my PC. It's only 0.38 inches of thickness. It's very slim. You can see it. It's very slim. Let me connect it. Its max read speed is of 130.8 megabytes per second, and writing speed is of 129.8 megabytes per second. There it is. It's connected. Thank you guys. Thumbs up if you like this review.